a problem from limit of a function and limit x tends to infinity box x plus x by x square, where box x, or it is said to be the greatest integer function, or it is said to be step function, is the largest integer less than x, is given by 4 options are given. Okay, here we easily find out the limit if we put x, this is equal to 1 by y. Okay, and since x tends to infinity, then obviously y tends to 0, and obviously it is 0 plus, that is positive 0. Okay, and at that case box x, this is equal to box 1 by y, and this is equal to box 0 plus, so this is 0. Okay, since the integral part of a small positive number is 0, so the limit becomes limit y tends to 0, this is 0 plus 1 by y by 1 by y square. Okay, so limit y tends to 0, this is y square by y, so limit y tends to 0 y, so this is 0. Okay, very simple problem, and we get the correct option, option number A. Very easily find out the value of the limit by replacing x by 1 by y. Okay, thank you for watching.